Anand, your member of Provincial Parliament from Mississauga Malton. Today we actually are celebrating our annual Thanksgiving lunch. Something we want to say thank you to the community for supporting and coming together. You know, we bring in the community partners, we share the meal with each other. We have DJ, we have music, we have henna artist, and the best part of this event is seeing the smile on our children. They come together, they play, they enjoy, and 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now, they will look back and they will cherish these moments. They'll remember the friends that they made today. So thank you, Paramatma. Thank you, God, for giving us the strength to serve the community. And thank you, community, for giving us an opportunity to serve. Together, we are stronger. Happy Thanksgiving.
That was your office number. No, but I don't know if that was your office number.